Welcome everyone. I am Rahul. Did you know that thousands of years ago, people in ancient India were already living a sustainable lifestyle? Today, despite all our technology, we are facing pollution, climate change, and resource depletion. So, what changed? In this video, let's explore the difference between sustainable living in ancient India and the modern lifestyle. Let's begin to the introduction. Sustainable living means using resources in a way that does not harm the environment and ensures availability for future generation. In ancient India, sustainability was not a concept, it was a way of living. But in modern times, convenience and consumption have taken priority, often at the cost of nature. Now, now let's see agriculture and food. Let's begin with agriculture and food. In ancient India, farming was completely natural. Farmers used organic fertilizers like cow dung and followed crops rotation to maintain soil fertility. Food was fresh, seasonal, and locally grown, which made it healthy and eco friendly. In contrast, modern agriculture depends heavily on chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Fast food and processed food have become common, affecting both our health and the environment. Now, let's see the water conservation. Water conservation in ancient India was highly advanced. People built step wells, ponds, and the rainwater harvesting system to store and manage water efficiently. These systems ensured water availability even during dry periods. Today, however, excessive usage, and poor management have led to water scarcity even in many developed cities. Housing and lifestyle. Housing in ancient India was designed in harmony with nature. Homes were built during natural materials like mud, wood, and stone, which kept them cool without electricity. In contrast, modern buildings rely heavily on air conditioners and artificial lighting, increasing energy consumption and environmental impact of clothing and consumption. In ancient India, clothing was made from natural fibers like cotton and silk and was often handmade and long lasting. People brought only what they needed. Today, the fast fashion industry promotes excessive buying, leading to huge waste and pollution. Waste management. One of the most remarkable aspects of ancient life was waste management. There was almost zero waste as everything was reused, recycled, or naturally decomposed. In contrast, modern lifestyles generate large amount of plastic and non-biodegradable waste, causing serious environmental problems. Energy and transportation. In ancient time, people re- relied on renewable resources of energy and used simple modern modes of transport like walking, cycling, walking cars. These methods caused almost no pollution. Today, today's transport depend on fossil fuel, leading to air pollution and global warming. Health and well-being. Ancient India practices focused on natural health system like Ayurveda along with yoga and meditation. These practices promotes both physical and mental well-being. In contrast, modern lifestyle is more stressful and people rely heavily on medicines to manage health issues. Social life. Ancient India social valued strong communities, bond and joint family system. People shared resources and supported each other. Today, modern lifestyle are more individualistic with reduced social interaction and weaker community connections. Now, let's see the conclusion. To conclude, sustainable living is not a new idea. It is something our ancestors practiced every day. Modern lifestyle has brought comfort and development, but also serious environmental challenges. If we combine ancient window wisdom with modern technology, we can create a better and more sustainable future because the future of our planet depend on the choices we make today. Thank you for watching.